All right, the drink we're about to make is called Scotch Bird Flyer. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass here and measure out 1.5 ounces of scotch. And we'll follow that up with 1/2 ounce of triple sec. And next we'll add 1 ounce of light cream. And 1/2 teaspoon of powdered sugar. And finally, 1 egg yolk. All right. Come on out, egg yolk. There we go. Now let's shake this really well. You want to make sure that you get the egg yolk dispersed throughout the rest of the drink. You don't want any pieces of that floating around in there. There we go. That should be good. And set up a champagne flute. Get your strainer. And go ahead and pour it in. All right, perfect. All the way to the top. And that is a Scotch Bird Flyer. Bottoms up.